Hello everyone! Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to add a new bank account in QuickBooks Online. Now, adding a new bank account in QuickBooks Online is crucial for maintaining clear and organized financial records. Whether you're a small business owner or managing personal finances, linking your bank account can streamline your financial management, making everything from tracking expenses to preparing taxes a breeze. This process is not just about convenience. It significantly enhances your ability to monitor your financial health accurately and efficiently. Let's jump right into the steps and see how you can easily achieve this. First and foremost, you need to log into your QuickBooks account. Once you're in, focus your attention on the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll find the Bank Transactions tab. This tab is your central hub for all bank-related activities within QuickBooks Online. It's designed to help you manage your financial data with ease, ensuring everything is organized and accessible in one place. Click on this Bank Transactions tab, and it will guide you to a page specifically dedicated to banking activities. On this new page, you will notice an option labeled Connect Account. This is the button you'll need to click to initiate the process of connecting your bank account or credit card to QuickBooks. By connecting your account, you enable the automation of transaction imports, which is a game changer for anyone who wants to save time and reduce manual data entry. Automation minimizes the risk of errors and keeps your transaction records up to date effortlessly, which is especially beneficial for those with a packed schedule. After clicking Connect Account, a new prompt will ask you to select your bank or credit card provider. QuickBooks has designed this interface to be as user-friendly as possible. You can either search for your bank using the search bar or select from a list of popular banks. This step ensures you can find your provider quickly, allowing you to continue with the setup smoothly and without any unnecessary delays. Once you've found your bank, click on it to move forward. The next part involves entering your bank account or credit card details. This might feel a bit intimidating, but rest assured, QuickBooks uses top-notch security measures to protect your information. It's crucial to enter the correct details here, as any mistakes could delay the connection process. So take your time and double-check your entries to ensure accuracy. With everything entered correctly, the final step involves logging into your bank through the QuickBooks interface to authorize the connection. QuickBooks provides a seamless guide through this login process, ensuring that you establish a secure link to your bank account or credit card provider. This secure connection is essential because it allows QuickBooks to fetch transaction data directly from your bank. This means you get up-to-date and accurate financial information without any additional effort on your part. And just like that, your bank account is now connected to QuickBooks Online. This connectivity will help you keep track of your transactions, simplify your financial tracking, and enhance your overall financial accuracy. With this setup, bookkeeping becomes a lot more manageable, and you'll have more time to focus on other important aspects of your business or personal life. If you encounter any issues or have questions along the way, don't hesitate to explore QuickBooks' comprehensive support resources. They offer a wealth of information tailored to meet various needs, ensuring you can make the most of your QuickBooks experience. That's it for this tutorial on how to add new bank account in QuickBooks Online. If you found it useful, subscribe to PMN Online and stay tuned for more helpful videos.